Dear scientist, I, Lalit Mohan Kala, research scientist, is again before you with a new lecture. Today I will talk on magnet. Magnet is very wonderful and miraculous matter, and how much useful it is in studying and knowing the atom, matters, heavenly bodies, photons, and the universe. Please have a glimpse of that. Magnet is very common but very valuable treasure of basic scientific knowledge on the universe. Magnet is my teacher. It has taught me all that which I could not find in science books, and my school teachers and college teachers could not teach me in my school days. Magnet Magnet has taught me all that about basics of science, which are also known as nature's basic laws of universe governance. That is, the basic laws of nature which govern the functioning of the entire universe. The world scientists may not believe and may not digest this truth that correct and complete structure of the atoms, matters, heavenly bodies, and of the photon, especially their outer energy part, also known as their electron network or their magnetic field or their life energy part, which surrounds their nuclei. This outer energy part, which is invisible but integral part in its correct shape, design, how it is connected to and how it is related to the visible nucleus part, as on today, is not known to world scientists of the world. Even to those world scientists who claim themselves the superpower on atomic energy, not known even to the scientists of Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Mumbai, India, who are the authority on the atom and on atomic energy in India. This outer energy part of the atom and of other existence is invisible but integral part. This this invisible part of all existence means all atoms, all matters, all heavenly bodies, and all photons, which can exist in isolated and independently in the universe, are called existence. Of all existence is as important as their visible nucleus part. That is, both the parts of all existence. That is, both the parts of all existence are equally important to be known and to be considered in all studies, in all experiments. But this invisible and important part of all existence, that is, of all atoms, of all matters, of all heavenly bodies, and of all photons, in their correct shape, design, how it is connected to, how it is related with the visible nucleus part, what is the role of this invisible and integral part in the functioning of all existence, is not known to world scientists as on today. It seems to be unbelievable, but it is a fact and truth. Please do believe it. Since the world scientists could not discover this invisible and integral part and important part, hence they totally ignore it in all studies, in all experiments of the existence. They consider the visible nucleus part only in the complete existence. They consider the visible nucleus part as the complete existence, that is complete atom, complete matter, but only the nucleus part is not the complete. And but Only the visible nucleus part is not the complete existence. Since Since the world scientists could not discover this invisible and integral part and the important part, hence they totally ignore it in all studies, in all experiments of the existence. They consider the visible nucleus part only as the complete existence of all atoms, of all matters, of all heavenly bodies, and of all. But only the visible nucleus part is not the complete existence. And this ignorance on the invisible part has been the world scientist's blunder mistake. It is this reason that the world scientists are issuing unscientific statements, they are having unscientific views, they are conducting experiments based on their unscientific knowledge. I have number of examples to prove this, such as in CERN experiment, it is claimed by world scientists that two beams of protons were thrown and collided. In another example, two scientists, Takaaki Kazuta of Japan and Arthur McDonald of Canada, were honored with Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 2015 on their research that nucleus particle neutrino also comes from the sun. It has mass, its velocity is more than that of photon, and it can penetrate into thin metal sheets. In another example, the nucleus particle neutron makes chain reactions in the atom. In another example, the geologists claim that earthquake occurs due to collision of earth plate in the interior nucleus part of the earth. Another example, earth warming is caused due to excessive emission of carbon gases. In another example, some heavenly bodies in the universe are made exclusively of gases, etc., etc. So these are the unscientific experiment which I have just stated a moment before. There is a long list of such examples based on unscientific knowledge of the world scientists. It is only the magnet which can only teach about the invisible part of all existence, which is still mysterious to world scientists. It is because of these reasons that I had to say that magnet is my teacher and magnet is a valuable treasure of basics of science. And the basics of science are the nature's basic laws of universe governance. However, I want to add here, for the knowledge of the world scientists, that I have quoted some examples just here above of unscientific knowledge of the world scientists. I have answered all on these examples in my research matter at number of places that what is correct and what should be correct and what should be the correct. The scientists are requested to kindly read or listen my entire research matter, which is divided in many parts in many lectures. If we remember our old school days when we were studying in high school or in intermediate classes, we have drawn magnetic lines around the nucleus of magnet on a plain paper sheet with the help of a small magnetic compass. Actually, the magnetic line is the locus or the path of freely moving electrons moving around the nucleus of magnet. This locus or path is the orbit of freely moving electron. The magnet is the ideal model of the atom. The magnetic lines stretched in rainbow shape between north and south pole points around the nucleus are actually the electron orbits. The three-dimensional neutral spaces in conical shape form just above the north and south pole of the magnet in the air-sky part are electronless, airless, or vacuum spaces. These conical shaped vacuum spaces in the air-sky part of all heavenly bodies are known or called as black holes. Because the conical shaped holes appear completely dark or black. I have already given the reason in my earlier lectures why it appears black or dark. The magnet is the enlarged model of the atom and also of the photon and the mini model of all heavenly bodies. The various mysterious phenomena of atoms, of photons, of heavenly bodies, including Earth, can be studied and defined with the help of magnet. Some of these phenomena which are observed in the magnet are very helpful in studying the existence and the universe. I read out these phenomena here. What is the shape and design of the electron orbits network spread around the nucleus of all existence? That is, around the atoms, around the matters, around the heavenly bodies, around the photons, and how the electron orbits are connected with the nucleus and the role of electron orbits network in all existence. This can be studied with the help of magnet. All existence, that is all atoms, all matters, all heavenly bodies, all photons have north and south pole points or positive and negative polarity points or the positive electrode and the negative electrode points on their nuclei for breathing energy in and out as magnet has on its nucleus. The magnet has north and south polarities. The similar polarities all the existence, that is all atoms, all matters, all heavenly bodies, all photons, and thus all nucleus particles of the atom, they have these positive and negative polarity points. Through these polarity points, they are connected with each other. In the atom, all the nucleus particles are connected with each other with the help of these positive and negative polarity points. In the matter, all atoms are connected amongst themselves with the help of these polarity points, that is positive and negative polarity points. In the heavenly bodies, all matters are connected with each other with the help of these north and south pole polarities or positive and negative polarities. That is why an atom behaves like an integrated unit. That is why a matter having so many atoms inside it behave as an integrated unit. It is why the earth, all heavenly bodies, they behave like an integrated unit, because all the matters, all the atoms, all the nucleus particles are integrated with each other, are joined each other with the help of the. In our body also, our body cells are connected with the help of these positive and negative polarity points. Our body cells also, they have positive and negative polarity. So our body behaves like an integrated unit. All existence very sorry. A magnet, when freely suspended in air with the help of non-magnetic cord, a magnet, when freely suspended in air with the help of non-magnetic cord or string. Why it makes different angles of depression with the horizontal at different altitudes in the same place, and on different places the suspended magnet makes different angles of depression at the same altitude, and on north and south pole region of the earth the suspended magnet becomes vertical, that is, it makes 90-degree angle with the horizontal. This can be seen, this can be observed in the magnet. The same similar phenomena occurs in the earth also. I have given some diagrams, I just show you. Around the magnet, magnetic lines are stretched in rainbow shape. If a magnet is suspended just above it, it will make different angle of depression on the same place, and at different places at the same altitude it will make different angles. Creation of neutral spaces or black holes just above the north and south pole. In the earth, black holes are created, are formed just above north and south pole. This phenomena can be studied in the magnet. In the magnet, just above the north and south pole, two neutral spaces are created. These neutral spaces are in the shape of cone, a hollow cone, and these are called black holes when the same are created in the earth. So creation of neutral spaces of black hole just above the north and south pole in the air sky part. Why the black hole appears black or dark, and all scientific information on black hole the magnet can teach. Creation of aurora phenomena inside the black hole. Why the walls of black hole shine, illuminate, white and bright, and all information on aurora the magnet can teach. In the case of Earth, inside the black hole, a phenomena, aurora phenomena, a circular bright ring, white bright ring, which shines very brightly. So that can be studied with the help of the magnet, because the walls of the black hole is of the air, electron network. Electron network having air sky part. Air sky part when shine from the sunlight, it illuminates. So if we look just above the north and south pole, we will see that a white bright circular ring is formed inside the black hole. It can be studied with the help of the magnet. Why the land just under the black hole on the Arctica and Antarctica region of the earth always remains a dry land? On the earth, a dry land area is formed just below the black hole, because in the black hole there is no air, there is no electron network, it is completely energyless. So there is no chances of formation of clouds. If there is no cloud, there can't be any rain, there can't be any snowfall. So it is because of these reasons that the land under the black hole always remains dry land throughout the year, throughout the 12 months of the year. So why the land just under the black hole on the Arctica and Antarctica region of the earth always remains a dry land, that is having no snow at all throughout the 12 months of the year, and why the temperature at dry land area is increasing? That can be also studied. This phenomena can be studied with the help of magnet. The magnet also teaches about the self-governed movement of non-living bodies, heavenly bodies, including moon, earth, photon, etc. A magnet is curved or it moves ahead towards a strong magnet, or a ferrous metal moves towards a magnet. This phenomenon can be studied, that how the earth is moving around the sun, how a photon is coming from the sun can come to on the earth, how the moon is moving around the earth. That is, these all phenomena, that is self-governed movement of all non-living bodies, heavenly bodies, including earth, moon, etc., can be studied with the help of magnet. And many more other phenomena of the existence can be studied, can be known with the help of magnet only, which otherwise can't be known, can't be studied. There is a similarity on number of points between magnet and all other existence. Magnet is the model for them. In short, magnet is the enlarged model of the atom and of the photon, and it is the mini model of the heavenly bodies. It is because of the above reasons that I consider the magnet as my teacher, as well as a wonderful and miraculous matter and a valuable treasure of basic scientific information on the universe. This much today. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Lalit Mohan Kala, research scientist.